Hi guys, welcome to another video. Markets saw a huge downside and trading below the 200 moving average on the weekly Bitcoin's chart. That happened as Fed's Powell shared his thoughts at Jackson Hole. And now, probably we're going to be seeing some painful months coming ahead. There's a lot of skepticism around the ETH merge. A lot of people are moving from future trading to ETH wallets, especially in spot, and this could be very good for them because if they are holding ETH on the spot wallet, with this merge, there's going to be many folks and a lot of other coins are going to be created on the Ethereum's blockchain, especially on proof of work. $80 billion were wiped out from the cryptocurrency markets in the last 48 hours. This downside isn't really making anybody happy, but let's jump into the charts and see what's happening in Bitcoin and how important will be the weekly closing. Let's start with the crypto bubbles. So on the bubbles, most of the coins right now on the daily time frames are seeing a big downside. Other than SNX, SNX is up about 9.1%. CHZ Chills coin is up about 4.4%. Matic is up about 4.4%. Some coins are still performing well. Otherwise, most of the coins are seeing big downsides. Alt season index still trading around the alt season, but we've seen big downsides on BTC. So that could just mean that if we have a really bounce, which I still feel like there would be a really bounce, then we will see some upsides, a lower high on the altcoins. Even if you want to look into the monthly right now, it's at 69. So nothing has pretty much changed here. Just been in this alt season for some time now. Greed and fear index. So on the greed and fear index, we are at 28 levels of fear. Yesterday we were around 28, last week was 27, back into these 20 levels. But if you do remember, once we dumped into 70,000, we were literally at 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is somewhat showing us there's a possible chance that there will be further downsides, and probably the 70,000 where BTC bounced from wasn't the bottom that everybody wanted. Let's get into the chart. So today, DXY is still trading in the same range between 108.206 to this range, which is about 109. So we're going to be seeing a very interesting closing here of the weekly on DXY. USDT's dominance finally has pushed above the support box here, which was this support box, and is trading above the resistance line, which is inside the box of 6.75%. Right now we're trading around 7%. So this downside that we have seen in the crypto markets, we are seeing an upside in USDT's dominance, meaning a lot of people right now are moving back into USDT. Let's look at BTC's dominance. So on the BTC's dominance, I had shared previously as well that we have traded above 39-38%. We have wicked almost around 40.27. Right now we're trading at 40.45, just below this resistance line of 41. Ethereum's dominance is clearly seeing a downside now has begun to create lower highs and lower lows, and that is obviously according to what is happening in the price action. So the price action saw a quick downside, though the merge is just days away now, but we are still seeing a pullback coming now in Ethereum's dominance. Others' dominance is trading around the same range, which is about 13%. And this is just getting resistance right now from 13.55%. We did break into the highs of 14%. That's also the reason why alt season index is showing us that we're still in the alt season, but that will be confirmed on the closing on this weekly in the next 24 to 48 hours. Monday will be very crucial day in the markets. Let's look at BTC in the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frames, we have begun to make a bullish divergence here, because on this we were at these levels, and obviously this price action and this price action is in the same. So this becomes a bullish divergence on the RSI. Overall, we are at the bottoms of Kelt. So Kelt is predicting somewhere around $19,576. While going upwards, we have plenty of resistance coming in all the way to $22,119. Meanwhile, the 50 moving average is at 21,133. So this is going to be an interesting closing. More likely, it's going to be below the 200 moving average. If we jump into BTC's daily time frames, on the daily time frames, we are in this beautiful upper BB and trading right below that. So the upper BB is about $25,829, while the 50 MA is at $22,348. The lower BB right now is about $18,866. So we are just below the 50 moving average. Previously, we had been trading below the 50 moving average, and now we are back below the 50 moving average. 200 moving average is still sitting around $31,639. And on the daily as well, now we are making a bullish divergence. So we will expect some kind of an upside rally to come here. So if I want to draw it out, what I'm expecting to happen in the next few hours and days is something probably like this, where we would go to about 22,500 to 23,000 and then down below these areas. So gotta watch out. Hopefully things go how we wouldn't want. We don't want to see a dump. We want to see a sideways movement and an upside to be coming in BTC. Just cut out this bear market. But well, there is a lot of action remaining in this bear market. Let's jump into the weekly time frames. So on the weekly time frames, we are trading below the 200 moving average, which is right now at $23,110. We have also broken down from this bearish peanut flag, and now we are testing our previous highs of 2017. So if we hold these levels, good. If we fail to do so, then we will come back into the 2019's highs, which is around $14,000. And I've said a lot of times that this bear market is going to be very, very painful. So we could expect somewhere here in the next few months. So this is a weekly chart. It's not going to act on the hourly. This is going to be acting on the monthly or weekly time frames. So that's very, very important. Let's move into Ethereum's 4-hour chart. So on the 4-hour chart, we are creating a bullish divergence similar to what we've seen on BTC's 4-hour chart. So this was our last previous point of RSI, and right now this is the one that we are bouncing from. So obviously both the price actions aren't same. That is what is bullish divergence on the RSI right now. And our CAD is just below this line of our previous resistance, which is at $1,434, while CAD is at $1,423. Plenty of resistance going upwards. So 50 MA is around $1,606, and the highest band for this CAD is around $1,746. Gonna be very, very interesting. Bullish divergence, meaning there might be some relief coming very, very soon. On the daily time frames, a similar bullish divergence is forming, like on the 4 hours, which is very, very good. A healthy sign. After a very long time, we are back below the 50 MA, and right now just trading below that. Our upper BB is at $2,170, while the 50 MA is at $1,599. The lower BB is at $1,027. So gonna be very, very interesting. Expecting some similar action to be coming here, that we might expect a resistance from here, then go above the 50 MA, and probably somewhere around $1,900 to $2,000 could be the place before ETH dumps very, very hard. A lot of whales now are moving their ETH from their cold storage wallets to exchanges, which is a sign something big might be coming right before or after the merge. Gotta be very, very careful with ETH, the censorship, the centralization. A lot of things are right now creating a lot of problems for Vitalik Buterin. Polygon co-founder has raised $50 million for Web3 venture funds. So this is going to be very, very exciting. Polygon is accelerating a lot better than all the other blockchains right now, is doing some exponential work in the crypto market. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you liked today's video. If you do, smash the like button, share your thoughts in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Going to be back in here soon. Take care, guys. Bye bye.